Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be filming a quick eyebrow tutorial. I previously had a video up on my channel, but I changed the way I do my eyebrows, so I'm just going to do an updated eyebrow routine. So without further ado, let's get started. Wow, I have a big head. To start off, I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm using a flat angle brush. And I'm starting off by drawing a line underneath my eyebrow. Just do the same thing on the top, except I don't start at the beginning because that's gonna make your eyebrows look too harsh and box shaped. Now with whatever's left on my brush, I'm just using that to create hair-like strokes at the front of my eyebrow. Before I clean my eyebrows up with concealer, I just brush them out to blend them a little bit more. My ColourPop Brow Boss brow pencil, and just fill in between my eyebrows to make them look a little bit thicker. To set my eyebrows, I use the Clean Color Famous Brows Tinted Brow Mascara, and I just use the brown one to make sure all of the hairs stay in place. Now it's time to clean up my brows, and I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 08, and I'm just going to use this flat brush. I always put the concealer on the back of my hand instead of using the applicator, so I have more control over how clean I want my eyebrows to be. I'm just going to use a little sponge from Real Techniques to blend out the concealer underneath my eyebrows. Now when I do decide that I'm going to do my foundation and everything, I clean up the top of my eyebrows with foundation. Now I'm just going to finish this look off by applying some eyeshadow and doing the rest of my face. For my crease, I'm just going to take this really light beige color and set all of the concealer. I'm just going to take this brown shade and go into my crease as a transition. I can never say as my transition shade. Next thing I'm going to do is take this yellow shade from my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette with a flat brush and pack that onto my lid. I already moisturized my face. I used my BH Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serum, and I used that as a moisturizer and a primer. This look, so I'm just going to use my Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the shade, what shade am I in? 115 Ivory. Just using a damp Real Techniques sponge to blend this in. I don't really want my highlighted areas to be super bright. So I'm going to take a concealer that's closer to my skin tone, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm just using the same sponge that I used to blend out the concealer under my eyebrows. Since this look is going to be kind of natural, I'm not going to contour. To set my face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 110 Porcelain to make sure everything is nice and matte. I am going to use some bronzer to bronze up my face, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. Now I'm just going to do my mascara off camera right. I normally do not wear like blush at all, but today I'm just going to take a little from this, what's the brand? Amuse in the shade Doll Face. The freckles, I'm going to go back with, if I can get it out, my ColourPop Brow Boss and lightly dot some freckles onto my face. To make sure nothing looks too harsh, I'm gonna go back in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge and kind of pat over the freckles to make sure they're kind of blended out. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using my favorite glow kit. It's the Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and my favorite shade in this palette is Butterscotch. My nose highlight, I always take my pinky and dip it into the color and put it right at the tip of my nose just to get the most effect out of the highlighter. To line my lips, I'm using my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Oh Snap and lining my lips with that. I just filled in my lips with this shade to use it as my lip color. So that was it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really like how this look turned out, and if you guys did too, please like and subscribe and comment down some suggestions of other looks that I should try out. Bye! Hey guys, so today I'm just I can't talk. I don't like this intro. I need to find something else to say besides just hey guys. So today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows, and I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm just doing my eyebrows. How do I even do intros? Like, I don't know how to talk to the camera. I'm so awkward. Okay. Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, and that's it. This isn't going how I wanted it to. Oh my gosh. It for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please like and subscribe and comment below some other suggestions that you guys would like me to make videos of. I can't talk. Like, I can't talk. Like, I'm so ignorant.